In our previous video, we took a look at a way to count up the faces, the vertices, and the edges of a polyhedron. It turns out that there's a pattern to this, and this guy, his name is actually Euler, even though it looks like Euler, discovered that the pattern is always that if we add up the faces to the vertices and subtract off the edges, no matter what the polyhedron is, that answer is always going to be 2. So despite his weird wardrobe choices, he was a pretty smart guy, I suppose, and he came up with this theorem. So we can use this to find a missing value. So let's say we have some polyhedron. We don't have any idea what it looks like, but we know it's got 10 faces, it's got 15 edges, but we don't know how many vertices it has. So using Euler's theorem, we can figure out how many vertices that has to have. So let's plug these values into his formula. So the faces plus the vertices, which I don't know, minus the edges, always has to equal 2. So if I combine some like terms, I get v minus 5 has to equal 2, and solving by adding 5 to both sides, I come up with 7 vertices. So whatever this polyhedron is, it's got to have 7 vertices according to Euler's theorem.